firing it up. Squishing down bad thoughts, celebrating. Squishing down bad thoughts, and celebrating. All right? 4 times through. Oh, yes. 5. Do you want to do music? Let's do greatest show. Yep. Are we ready? Okay, get it going. Ready? F-I-R-E. Fire it up, fire it up. F-I-R. Say the words. Fire it up, fire it up. F-I-R-E. Fire it up. How about 2 more times? F-I-R-E. Fire it up. 1 more time. F-I-R-E. Fire it up. Fire it up. Woohoo! You got it. Okay, who here wears glasses or contacts? Raise your hand. Glasses, contacts? Yep. Can you hear me okay? Okay. If you wear glasses or contacts, raise your hand. Yes. Have you ever had the experience when you're sitting there and they like in the optometrist chair and they put the things on and all of a sudden you're like, oh, I can see. I didn't even know my prescription was bad, but suddenly I can see. Have you had that? Yes. That's what coaching is like. You're like, yeah, I'm doing so awesome in my business. And then you work with a coach and they answer a question and suddenly you go, oh, I didn't know that. So that is some of the goodness you are going to witness this afternoon with Cammie and 2 people who filled out their Spotlight coaching forms. So are you ready for that? Yes. Are you ready for that? Yes. And how is your energy after lunch? Woo! Fired up? Fired up. Okay, let's bring Cammie on and let's fire it up.